Are you getting messages from random accounts talking about how, you have to pay them 500, 1,000, whatever the amount is, or they're gonna get your page taken down, or maybe somebody messages you and says somebody paid to have your page taken down? Well, guess what? I'm gonna tell you a little secret so that nobody can take your page down. At least unless you really violated, but nobody like that can take your page down, because what they're doing is they're using a software, some kind of bot, and they're adding Instagram accounts to that bot. And what that bot is doing is it's repeatedly reporting your account until it comes down. Most of the time, people's accounts come down like that for impersonation. So they're trying to say that you're impersonating somebody, right? So the key to decreasing the amount of disablements or anything like that, pretty much whitelisting, without saying whitelisting, is it's all about how your profile is set up. First, your profile picture. Never use your face. Don't put a profile picture with your face as the profile picture, because as long as you have a picture of your face on your profile, Instagram can scan it and compare it to any other accounts out there and pretty much decide whether you're really impersonating another account, right? So your profile picture, never put your full face on your profile picture. And also the name in your bio, there's a tab for just name. Don't put your name. Put it in the actual bio description if you have to put your name. Don't put it in the name tab. Don't have nothing there, or at least not your name, and don't have a profile picture, because what these bots do is it targets your name and it targets your face, and it will pretty much, Instagram will look at all of the other, and it's not a human being, right? It's their algorithm, it's their AI, but Instagram will look at all the other fake pages of you, because if somebody's messaging you like that, 9 times out of 10, you have a bunch of fake pages. So they're going to target the real you and get it taken down, but that's a method that makes it 10 times easier for you to stay safe and keep your page active.